We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
नमस्ते डियर स्टूडेंट। आज हम चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं कोट्राइमोक्साजोल के बारे में। फर्स्ट वन, व्हाट इज द कोट्राइमोक्साजोल? कोट्राइमोक्साजोल इज द ड्रग इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ 5 parts of sulfamethoxazole with 1 part of trimethoprim. Here you can see this is the one marketed formulation of tablet of combination of cotrimoxazole, means cotrimoxazole. It is the available in the oral form as well as the IV infusions and injectable form of drug. Here you can see this is the one examples of cotrimoxazole combination. It is the sulfamethoxazole 800 mg combined with trimethoprim 160 mg. That means 160 is the 1 part and 800 is 5 part. 8 into 5 that become 800 mg. So this sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim is the combination called as the cotrimoxazole. The resulting combinations called as the cotrimoxazoles shows the greater antibacterial activity than equivalent quantity of drug used alone. If you are using the cotrimoxazole alone or the trimethoprim alone, that both produce the bacteriostatic action, but you are given into the combination form of these two, that means cotrimoxazole, that produce the bactericidal actions. Bactericidal, that means these are the drug that kill the bacteria. Those type of the agent we can say this is the bactericidal action. Why these combinations selected? The combination was selected because of the similarity in the pharmacokinetics property. Both having the similar pharmacokinetic property, that means absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. So these combination cotrimoxazoles is the trimethoprim plus sulfamethoxazole is the ideal formulations. What is the mechanism of action of these drugs? PABA, that means para-aminobenzoic acids, is the raw material for the bacterial synthesis, means growth of bacteria. These PABA, those are combined with the dihydropterol synthase enzyme. Due to this enzyme, that formation of dihydrofolic acid. This dihydrofolic acid are combined with the dihydrofolate reductase and that formation of the tetrahydrofolic acids. This tetrahydrofolic acid responsible for synthesis of the purine. Purine are responsible for synthesis of the DNA. DNA responsible for the RNA. RNA from the protein. That means this is the most important material for the DNA, RNA and protein for the development of the bacteria. This is the simple process. But our drug sulfonamides, that means sulfamethoxazoles, those combine with the dihydropterol synthase enzymes. That means that these PABA cannot be converted into dihydrofolate. Another thing, this trimethoprim that also inhibit the dihydrofolate reductase enzyme. So this dihydrofolic cannot be converted to tetrahydrofolic acid. That means here the two drugs, combination drugs that inhibit two different enzymes, and due to this tetrahydrofolic acid cannot be synthesized. Purine cannot be synthesized. DNA cannot be synthesized. RNA and protein cannot be synthesized. The bacteria are that become chances of death. This the combination are ideal. Suppose in case of you are using the only sulfonamide that only inhibit the this, but that may be chance of synthesis of dihydrofolic acid to another pathway. So this is synthesis and a DNA, but growth of are inhibited, but bacteria cannot be killed. So this combination produce the bactericidal action and alone drug that produce the bacteriostatic actions. Here, the same thing. The synergistic antibacterial activity of the cotrimoxazole resulting the inhibition of the two sequential step in the synthesis of the tetrahydrofolic acid. That means dihydropterol synthase enzyme and dihydrofolate synthase enzyme. Sulfamethoxazole inhibit the incorporation of the PABA into folic acid, and trimethoprim prevent the reduction of the dihydrofolate to tetrahydrofolic acid. The cotrimoxazole exhibit the more potent antibacterial activity than sulfamethoxazole or trimethoprim alone. So they produce the bactericidal actions alone, that produce the bacteriostatic actions. Here this drug produces the best some side effect, dermatological side effect. That means reaction involving the skin are very common and may be severe into the elderly. Specifically, we can say due to the deficiency of the folic acid are responsible for producing the ulcer in the mouth. This is the common side effects of sulfonamide drug. That means cotrimoxazole drugs. Gastrointestinal tract, nausea, vomiting is the common side effect of this antibacterial agent. Hematological side effect due to the megaloblastic anemia, that means vitamin B12 deficiency anemia, we have to finding from these drugs. Leukopenia, reduction of the leukocyte count in the blood, and thrombocytopenia, reduction of the platelets, may be occur due to the deficiency of folic acid. This is the main side effect of sulfonamide. The combination drug is cotrimoxazole. Hematolytic anemia may be occur the patient with the glucose 6-phosphate deficiency due to the sulfamethoxazole. Sometimes question are that become asked. Sulfamethoxazole to the which type of the deficient level glucose 6-phosphate deficiency produced by these drugs. HIV patients. In the immunocompromised patient with the pneumocytosis pneumonia frequently show the drug-induced fever, rashes, diarrhea, and pancytopenia is the most common side effect due to the sulfamethoxazole drug. That means the cotrimoxazole drug. Immunocompromised, that means the disease, the immunocompromised patient, that means those patients having the very less amount of immunity. This type of the disease we can say immunocompromised disease. Best example is the HIV, having the HIV having patient having very less amount of immunity, so we can immunocompromise the patient. Uses urinary tract infection, respiratory tract infection, typhoids and bacterial diarrhea and dysentery. This is the main drug used in the treatment of these particular basic conditions. Drug interaction. The cotrimoxazole prolonged the prothrombin times. Prothrombin time, those are that becoming the patient receiving the warfarin. That may be chances of bleeding. Plasma half-life of the phenytoin may be increased due to the inhibition of metabolism. This drug are using metabolism are inhibited due to the lifetime half-life of the phenytoin are that become increased. Methotrexate level may be rise due to the displacement of the albumin binding site by sulfamethoxazoles. Thank you very much for watching PharmaJosh YouTube channel. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and tell to your friends. Thank you very much.